I'm pleased to be able to do the video. Let's see, before I say too much, the still picture looks really haggard on this piece. It is pretty clean, maybe a light staining of iron, but not as dirty looking as the still picture. Harlequin quartz from the Geborbosep and surrounds Namibia. There's a little bit of a fenster window there as well. And as we move these around, you'll see those little blades trapped inside. Some may say it's lepidocrocite. I'd go with hematite because you'll see some redness as we move it around. That would be little specular hematite crystals trapped inside the matrix of the quartz, the solid quartz, crystalline quartz. It would need a stand to display, not a very large piece, a miniature, I think. You'll find that the dimensions of the specimen are in the first picture of my eBay listing. You'll find bottom left or bottom right would be where the dimensions are. Lovely little harlequin quartz from the Geborbosep and surrounds Namibia, Brandberg quartz, Brandberg harlequin quartz.